Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. We have a 1997 Ford Mustang GT, got about 90,000 miles, and this is my neighbor's car here, so I'm working at my house today. We have to do rear shocks on this, we have to do a washer fluid tank, and also we're doing the outer tie rods on this car, and I'm helping him out. He's a veteran, he's also my neighbor, really nice guy, so I want to help him out so that he doesn't have to pay a lot. First things first, let's get this car into the jack, get the rear tires off, and get to the rear shock absorbers. Alright, we got the car up on the jack stands. Today is also one of the coldest days that it's been this year. And there's a little bit of wind, but we got the car up on the jack stands. Let's take the wheels off. Alright, so this right here is the shock absorber. We replaced this last time. This is a differential torque strut, is what they call it. We have a 1 bolt down here for the shock absorber, and then we should have another bolt on the inside of the car, and then this should just come out. Pry this out of the way. Alright, I'm not sure why this is like this. I'm not the one who did this, but I'm gonna try and secure it for the guy if I can. Maybe, I don't know if I can. Alright, so these bolts up here have to come off. There's 2, 3, like there's screws, not bolts. And then there should be a couple here. This car is missing a bunch, but there should be a couple here. And this rubber piece also goes, the rubber piece there goes up in the front here. Once you take that off, you can see the bolt right there for the shock absorber. And then same thing, it should be on this side also. Alright guys, so once we're able to lower this out of the way, after taking a couple screws off, bolt is right here. We take that bolt off, it's a 15mm. We come down underneath the car, right here. This is already replaced this, but we only got 2 more bolts. Well, a nut and a bolt. This is a 19 on this side, or 18 on this side, and a 15 on this side. So hold one, loosen the nut. It comes off. Put the new one in there, and as you guys can see, this one was destroyed. I can compress this with one hand with not a lot of effort. While I get this on, I'll tell you guys a little bit about myself. So my name is Arieldi, as I mentioned in a couple of videos. I worked at the dealer for over 3 years. I'm 23 years old, and I actually quit the dealership about a month ago, and the reason why was mainly because of management. I was seeing a lot of favoritism at the dealer, and I hated going to work every day. Every day was very stressful because of that. And what I decided to do, I already had this mobile business. I've only had this for over a month now, so I said, hey, screw it, try this out, give this a full-time go, and if it doesn't work out, I can always go back to the dealer. I have over 100 certifications at the dealer for Mercedes, so I'm fully certified, and I already had a dealership that was interested in me. And when I quit, actually another one contacted me, kind of like a rival dealer to ours, but I told them not yet. I want to give this a go, see how this goes, and if it doesn't work out, I can always move back to the dealer. But the dealer politics and all that sort of stuff got the better of me while I was there. So we'll see how this goes. If this doesn't work out, I want to be able to help other people. This guy's a veteran, and I want to be able to help him when I have free time, when I don't have anything scheduled. I can afford to help people like this, where I wouldn't charge them the full price, and actually help this guy out. You know, he's a veteran, he's my neighbor here, very awesome guy, and he looks after this car, so I want to help him out as much as I can. So, and this gives me the ability to do that, but the downside is you're out in the weather all the time, whether it's hot, cold, raining, snowing sometimes, depending on what your schedule like. But the positives are always that you make your own schedule, so you don't have to listen to anyone else. So, like everything has positives and negatives. That's how I got to doing this full time. I gotta look up what the torque spec was for this. 19mm on this side, 15 on this side. This up. We want to lower this just enough so that the wheels touch, so we could torque them. Torque spec is 100. Let's go torque them down. Got this set at 100. Always torque in a cross pattern. And every time I finish the cross pattern, I always go back and order, just to make sure they're all tight. And no, that does not over torque them. And even if it does, a couple foot-pounds won't make a difference. Okay, so that's how you replace rear shock absorbers on a 1997 Ford Mustang GT. Follow for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.